बड़ा है तो बिजी ये तो कर यार भाई हेलो इसमें तो ज़्यादा
Disclaimer, my Hindi is broken. I have a lot of confusion between mera, meri and aapka, aapke. So it's not a disrespect, but it's out of confusion. So please don't judge me. And I would like to really thank media. आपके वजह से इतना ज़्यादा reach मिला है नागबंधम को. And this is a great opportunity for me to thank you all. With all your love and support, this has been possible. And first of all, talking about Nagabandham, Nagabandham is not just another film. It's a larger than life mythological universe specially crafted for the audience. And it's an attempt to preserve India's civilization legacy. ये हमारी तरफ से सनातन धर्म को एक समर्पण है.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है।
हमारे हिस्ट्री सबको पता है क्या हुआ है मुगल इन्वेजन के बाद. काफ़ी कुछ लूज किया है हमने. देव लूटेड आवर ट्रेजर, देव लूटेड आवर टेम्पल्स. करोड़ों लोग मारे गए हैं. एंड नागबंधम इज एन अटेम्प्ट टू show the future generations our ancestors sacrifice and resilience they have shown towards protecting our dharma. Yeah, that's it from my side.
आपने बोला हिंदी अच्छी नहीं है, इतना अच्छा बोलोगे तो बाकी लोग कहाँ जाएंगे? जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. And it's not just me, Kishore sir.
Media people, thank you Girish ji for being here. Thanks to all the artists and all the other guests. So I think you've seen the trailer. Okay, I'll speak in English because she has already spoken enough.
She's aced it.
So I'll speak in English. Yeah. So I think all of you have seen the trailer. How did you like? I actually, I mean, the reception that you guys have given, I actually loved your reception of the trailer. So I'm feeling very satisfied, very happy. I sure think it will be a blockbuster. Going forward. So thank.
So ट्रेलर में आपको अभिषेक नामा जी का विजन दिखा होगा. We really miss him not being here today.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. That's actually a fantastic comment. Thank you for that. Yeah, so I'd like to thank, like she said, Abhishek ji for mounting this magnum opus here and delivering to such scale and span. I'd like to thank the artists, our Virat, Nabha, and our Risha. Sorry, I am feeling a little bit nervous, but yeah. So Rishabh for actually being able to do this, positioning it at this scale and being able to give your best, on all the shooting days. Thanks to all the crew. Our Sonder sir is here. He has actually been able to bring this up. You've seen the visuals, so it's all because of him. I think I'd like to thank our production designer, Mr. Ashok. So he has been able to do a fantastic job with all the sets and all the art and craft that you're seeing on the scenes. Finally Abhishek, he has, like I said, he has done a fantastic job being able to mount this. I think that is all. Thank you everybody for being here and giving us such a huge, positive response.
Thank you so much.
First of all, thank you very much for media people and Mumbai people, North Indian people. Nowadays, there is no North India or South India. India. Earlier, it's there Bollywood, Hollywood, like that, Tollywood. Now, आजकल कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं है, एक ही बात हो गया, इंडिया फिल्म, इंडियन फिल्म. We are proud. I am proudly say, we are going to give you very big Indian film for the entire world. Definitely, we assure our Nagabandhu will do best of this year, one of the best film in this year. Thank you so much, everyone. 2 साल से सब जने बहुत मेहनत करा था ये फिल्म आउटपुट के लिए. 1 year we spent on post production, 1 year on production. Now 6 months we are doing post production work. Pre production के लिए 1 साल मेहनत करा था अपन ने. Finally we are going to deliver very excellent output. So thank you so much. Definitely you love it. Everyone should appreciate our Nagabandhu, our Nick Studios, our producer जने किधर भी compromise नहीं हुआ. बोले तो थोड़ा क्या बोल सकती 100 crore spent on this film.
Whoa.
I think this is the first film एक न्यू स्टार में इतना बड़ा अमाउंट स्पेंड करा. ऑल इंडिया में फर्स्ट फिल्म है ये. और अभिषेक नामा का विजन था ये पूरा. सब जने अपना डीओपी सर सौंदर सर और आर्ट डायरेक्टर एंड म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर एडिटर और आर्टिस्ट हीरो विराट जी और अपना नवाज जी, स्पेशली और ऋषभ, बहुत क्या बोलूँ हार्ड वर्क आता है ये फिल्म के लिए. ये आउटपुट सबका एंटायर टीम का हार्ड वर्क के लिए ऐसे आउटपुट मिला था आज. डेफिनेटली विल सरप्राइज यू ऑन July 3rd. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Honestly, Abhishek sir is not here today, but it was entirely his vision. This character is very dark, and I'm doing a double role, and both my characters are dark. You can call it dark and darker. And Abhishek sir gave me the freedom to go to the darkest ends. He was so descriptive and vivid, and he explained the character very well, and the way he designed the looks, the way he designed the shots and everything, it gave me a lot of freedom to play the character, because it's not easy to play such a bad guy. And I really have to talk about 2 things, bro. Ashok sir, who's the art director of the film, he made such beautiful sets. I mean, there was a set where there were the 10 avatars of Vishnuji, and every time we were shooting, the first thing I would do when I went to the set was go in the middle, stand there, pray for 2 minutes. That used to give me so much, it used to make me feel so centered. That is one. And the other person I want to talk about is the editor of our film, Pranav. He has done a fantastic job with the edit. And Saundar sir, I mean, the way he was framing each and every shot, you just look into the camera and you could know that something crazy is going to come out of it. Special mention for our producers, bro. The way they have supported the film, I mean, they used to be there on set for all the night shoots, for all the day shoots. Be it they are feeling unwell, they are feeling well, they were there. And even Ira is also there on set for a long time, bro. And overall, I'm just thankful, I'm grateful for the opportunity, getting a Telugu debut with this film. I mean, I think God is really kind with me, because I got my debut with Fighter and then my Telugu debut with Nagabandham, and I'm just grateful. Thank you Vasu sir, thank you sir, thank you ma'am, thank you Saundar sir, and thank you Abhishek sir for the opportunity.
कैसे हो? ट्रेलर अच्छा लगा? इतना सारा प्यार, thank you so much. I mean, the kind of energy you guys have given us for the trailer is amazing, and it's filled us with confidence. We were all sitting and the kind of, hooting and whistles. Thank you so much. What do I say? What do you want me to say? This movie the journey has been beautiful. Nagabandham is not just any film. It's our Sanatana Dharma and historical events wrapped in like a beautiful drama and presented at a large scale visual spectacle. आपने ट्रेलर तो देखा होगा, but असली पिक्चर on July 3rd please, please do come to the theaters and give us the same energy. What more can I say? And I have thanked all of our team yesterday in very length, but I just really want to thank Soundar sir, Rishabh, our producers, our incredibly talented director, our hero Virat. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, Nishita and Kishore. I want to see the movie as much as the audience have been waiting because you're all in for a surprise, including myself.
She said it. She said it.
Yeah.
so much. Hello Mumbai. मैं पहले बार इधर आ गया and मेरा हिंदी थोड़ा इधर उधर होता है. Please forgive me. Thank you. So I would like to thank my director Abhishek Nama for giving me this beautiful opportunity. क्योंकि second movie को इतना बड़ा movie आने के लिए it's not easy. And he had seen something in me, so I would like to thank him and my producers Nishita Garu and Kishore Garu for trusting me and giving me this huge project. And Nabha Nadesh, thank you so much for supporting me, and she is very active in the shoot also. She used to give lot of energy. And Rishabh, thank you so much. And DOP sir, thank you so much sir. Your visuals are like crazy. And I would like to say only one thing about this movie. It's not a movie. I'm not inviting you to watch it just as a movie. I'm inviting you to experience the journey that celebrates our Indian culture and courage.
Wow.
क्योंकि हमारा मिट्टी का स्टोरी है ये, एंड वी डोंट नो आवर क्या बोलते हैं आवर नेक्स्ट जनरेशंस को वी हैव टू शो आवर ट्रेडिशन एंड कल्चर. सो दिस मूवी इज़ गोना शो एवरीथिंग. हमारा इंडियन का पावर क्या है और हमारा सनातन धर्मम का क्या है, एंड एवरीथिंग इट विल शो. एंड द स्टोरी रन्स अबाउट विष्णु, शिवा एंड नागसाधु. सो यू लिंक इट इन द लिंक पूरा आपको मूवी देखने के बाद मिलता है. तो थैंक यू सो मच. एंड वासु गारू, थैंक यू सो मच सर. एंड Ganesh Acharya Master, thank you sir, thank you so much for because for the second movie इतना बड़ा कोरियोग्राफर से डांस कोरियोग्राफी करना it's not easy, and I would like to thank Ganesh sir. Thank you sir, thank you so much.
Oh.
And we started Ananta Padmanabha Swami Radha Yatra in AP and Telangana. वो उसको बहुत अच्छा response आ रहा है, and we'll start this in Mumbai and North India also. I think that North, South, East, West पूरा सब हमारा मिट्टी है, and उसमें हमारा mythology and हमारा story पूरा सबका एक ही रहता है. तो ये मूवी भी ऐसा है. सो सब लोग ये मूवी देख के जुलाई 3 ना एक सरप्राइज फील होता है, एंड दिस मूवी इज गोना सरप्राइज यू ऑल. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
Hero, not on the heroine side, and this is the complaint from the audience point of view also. I just want to know about your character, and also question for you guys also. Can we see only Virat as the main focus, or we can see the heroine part also in the film?
Story of the film is such that every character is justified. There's really no compromise on anybody. It's like heroine को ज़्यादा screen space नहीं मिलता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. We made sure everybody is getting there.
I mean, this is not a typical hero-based movie in that sense. You will see the story running, story leading it, and then everybody giving in their everything for the
Because
story.
it's
And
a huge complaint for the viewers also. Like nowadays, more focus are there on the hero, not on the heroine.
I think that trend is changing. No, as because the stories are
Because
taking up
recently, as a viewer also, if we talk, we have seen this complaint. Big budget film came and which was
Definitely,
focused.
I can understand your
And this trailer also, we can hardly see her. Only 2 frames I just saw.
No, the director has chosen to do an action cut, so my character has not been. I have not done any action, so I'm not.
That's why I'm asking you to tell me something more about your character. What
My
I can see.
character is called Parvati.
Yeah.
it's got very much to offer to the story throughout the film. It's got many, many layers. You're going to be surprised when you watch the film. And I've gotten a very beautiful, a great opportunity to portray this character in a sense as to a woman's every single role in her life, be it a daughter, be it a sister, be it a comrade, be it a companion, be it a lover, not just for a role, for like a title, but also contributing to the story in these roles. So it's not going to be how you've been asking. It's going to be amazing because, like our producer mentioned, this movie story is the main focus, and a lot of other characters also actually come and gonna entertain you in many, many ways. Yes.
And also,
तो कहीं ना कहीं बॉलीवुड वाले डर जा रहे हैं, ये कह सकता हूँ मैं। ये जो आपकी फिल्म है, इसकी जो जर्नी की शुरुआत हुई, किस तरह से हुई? क्या आपने पहले से ये तय करके रखा था कि बाहुबली से भी हमें बड़ी फिल्म बनानी है?
First of all, we are not from the film industry. This is our first film, Nick Studios का. पहले हम सॉफ्टवेयर बिजनेस कर रहे थे. उसके बाद बिजनेस डाइवर्सिफाई करना चाहते थे और ये फिल्म की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली हमको. एंड जब अभिषेक नामा सर से मिले थे, उनका प्री प्रोडक्शन वर्क इतना स्ट्रांग था, उनका विजन पूरा समझ में आ गया हमको. तो उसके हिसाब से हमको लगा ये फिल्म बहुत बड़ा हिट बन जाएगा. एंड आई एम ऑल्सो ए बिग डिवोटी ऑफ शिव जी, सो आई लाइक द सब्जेक्ट एंड वी वांटेड टू डू इट more. Kishore, you want to expand more on this?
Yeah, so again I'll talk in English. Yeah, so when we started, I think the budget was not this high. I mean, so we started it, the output started coming well. We started seeing very good reception from the people who have seen the rush, people who have visited the sets. The artists were also doing very well. Everybody was giving in their day in day out only for the movie. So if you talk about Abhishek, Virat, so there most of the, I mean, there good amount of team is also first timers, and they're giving their heart and soul for the project. So seeing that dedication, I think you get that kind of confidence that this project will be a huge success. So that is the gut feel that we have gotten when we started early. And as we started seeing the output, as we started getting more and more confidence, we started investing. And while we are doing that investment, we are also cognizant of what is the risk that we're taking, how to de-risk it, and will it be a profitable venture or not. So all these have been considered, and then only we have invested. So you can call it a calculated risk.
आपने कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क की बात की, इन्वेस्टमेंट की बात की. अगर मैं पूछना चाहूँ, क्या इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है इस फिल्म के लेकर, और क्या प्लानिंग है रिटर्न्स को लेकर? कहाँ वर्ल्ड वाइड किस तरह से प्लानिंग है? क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है? आपको लगता है कि ये फिल्म बाहुबली के रिकॉर्ड सारे तोड़ पाएगी? क्योंकि विजुअली तो बहुत इफेक्टिव लग रही है फिल्म.
So the investment is at around 110 crores plus has been the investment. As far as will it cross Bahubali or not, I think you guys, your response has actually been the proof of whether it will cross Bahubali or not. So I'll leave it at that. So let's wait for July 3rd and then see how it goes.
My friends keep telling me, पूरा Instagram पूरा नागबंधम ही चल रहा है, तुम क्या कर रहे हो? So that itself is that shows the movie is going to be a big blockbuster.
I think we have somewhere created that interest in the audience. That this is a film to look out for. The film stands out, and then there is great content that that will surprise you. So I think those three things are actually enough to pull the audience into the theaters. Then let's see how it goes.
And talking about the business, we've partnered with some of the greatest, like we have Z Studios on board for distributing in North and overseas. I think that gives us a strong strength.
I think we have closed 80% of the business, so I think we're out of risk in that sense.
Sir, my question is to Virat sir. Yeah.
Hi sir.
First of all, congratulations to you. All the best for this film.
Thank you so much sir.
You got a very good opportunity to act in this big film. It will be a pan-India film. So what is your feeling with this particular? You joined with this film. Actually, you can say it's a debut to this thing. So what is your feelings? Just express your feelings.
मैं एक ही बात बोलना चाहता हूँ. दिस इज़ द लाइफ टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर मी. सो ये मूवी के लिए पूरा मैं मेरा जान लगा के काम किया क्योंकि आपका दिल में छोटी से जगह चाहिए. सो या एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट. सर आपने नहीं सुन रहे तो सॉरी.
Sir, honestly, I think I've been blessed. My first film, I had a great experience with the production team. This, during Nagabandham, I have nothing to complain about. Like I said before as well, the producers backed everyone through and through. They were there to take care of everyone. They were there to look out for everyone. And there was not much of a difference in the working styles also because at the end of the day, both were like big commercial films and both of them were dealt with the utmost professionalism and yeah, grace, I would say.
Kishore, one thing I want to ask you, this is your first film, such major. Are you planning for other productions also, or after seeing the response to this film, you'll start planning? How was the experience of yours working with these people as such?
I think this is my first time. I mean, obviously all of you know. So I think one of the mentions I want to do is of Vasugaru. He has been the pillar of support for us. I mean, we don't know anything in production in that sense. So he has guided, helped, told us how things work, how things do not work, where to be careful, where not to be, I think. And he has been with Abhishek for long, and they have done enough number of productions to be able to know what is right, what is wrong. So I think in that way we've been, I mean, the experience has been good. There was too much to learn in too short a time, and there was, we have spent also too much in too short a time. So both ways. So, but I think it's a good investment. I think you have gotten the right kind of output. Yeah. So.
And Abhishek is not there. We are missing him as such.
Yeah.
And he has done a wonderful job. Everything is the story, screenplay, direction, everything. Wonderful. Beautifully executed. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
My question is to Rishabh sir. Rishabh sir, big fan. As he was saying already, since it is very difficult to work on a Telugu film, since you are a Hindi person and you know Hindi language mainly, so is there any dialogue which you can say in front of us for us, like anything, like in Telugu?
So this was one of the dialogues from the film. It's one of my favorite scenes from the film.
Yeah.
It goes like, మీ డాడీ నేను కలిసి గేమ్ ఆడితాం, నేను గెలిచే వాళ్ళకి ఇవ్వలి కదా.
Sir, meaning sir.
Me and your dad are playing a game and I'm winning. Now whoever's the winner, he needs to get the prize, right? But your dad's not giving me the prize. That was the meaning of the dialogue.
Lovely. Thank you, sir.
Hello. Hi, Anjulika here from the Trending Times. And क्या मैं कलयुग के सबसे बड़े राक्षस से सवाल पूछ सकती हूँ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rishabh. We have seen you in Fighter. You have been that gelled hair, soft kind of a villain in that. And now I see you in such a getup, like with makeup and hair. The externalization of the character is really, really very impressive. What was the internalization of the character? How did you prepare it internally for the character?
I use my own, like, I follow one process. I write down the complete backstory, get into the character. Like, I write down incidents about the character's life in his younger days, create a whole story. In this, I had two characters to play, so I had to do it twice. But yeah, most of it was internal. Most of the internalization happened by writing about the character, exploring the characters through history, through books and all, whatever material I could find about the character. So that is how I internalized it.
Hello. Thank you so much.